Hi dear students, today's topic is about the description of the process. You need the passive voice to describe a process in all the activities you make daily. Moreover, English speakers use passive voice continuously, and it's important to take into account all the steps you need in order to have a product. This is a kind of definition for the describing the process. You can see the process description in the books also like this, mainly in tasks. You can see the tasks is given in the step-by-step position. This means that firstly in the process you should firstly draw a big tree and then find two branches, two trees like that. And second, the next one is describe the process of the acid rain and make a post about how the population is affecting. You see here the tasks is given turn by turn. This means that is a kind of procedure to do in your actions to answer. So here the example. So this is a passage about the trees in danger, and here is the drawn picture about the tree. You can read the whole story about the trees in danger. So the next one is here. As Abel mentioned, procedure. Firstly, read the text, trees in danger, and look for unknown words, and then write the process using the passive and active voice correctly. Don't forget the sequence connectors, and prepare an explanation about the pollution in your neighborhood and presenting in the class. So, and also in the process you can give the resources also in the tasks, and there is given the evaluation. If you as a future teacher, if you want to evaluate your pupils or students, you should involve this kind of points. And also, while you are describing the process, you should consider these points in your description of the process to get high score. This means that while you are describing the process, you should use the grammar correctly. And if you want to describe the process orally, you should improve your speaking skills also. And the creativity means that in what point you should describe this process. So that was all. And if you have any questions, you should feel free to ask in the Moodle chat or Telegram. So I also uploaded any other explanations for this topic. You can see, and then you can do the tasks. Thank you for your attention. Bye.